Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Today's Hanuman Chalisa verse is Vidyavana Guni Ati Chatura Rama Kaja Karibe Ko Atura. Vidyavan, one who has learned Vidyas. Guni, having gunas. Ati, very. Chatura, clever. Kaj, task. Karibe, doing. Ko, to. Atur, eager. Ho, one learned in all Vidyas, one full of virtues, very clever. You are always eager to do Rama's task. That type of Hanuman, victory to you. This is what the general meaning of this verse. Here it is Vidyavan. You have the knowledge of all Vidyas. Here Vidya means not ordinary education. It is quoted in Vishnu Purana. Ya Vidya Sa Vimuktaye. We must acquire the knowledge which takes us to the liberation or moksha. For that moksha, one must learn Vedanga Sahita Veda Vidya and Shat Darshana, it is, etc. Vedanga means limbs of Veda. Limbs of Veda. There are 6. Shiksha, Vyakarana, Chanda, Nirukta, Jyotisha, Kalpa. These are the 6. And after this 6, you have to learn all the 4 Vedas. Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharva Veda. These are the Vedanga Sahita Chaturveda Vidya. After that, Shat Darshana. Nyaya, Yoga, Vaisheshika, Sankhya, Purva Mimamsa and Uttara Mimamsa. Apart from this, there are Smritis, there are Puranas and everything. You are proficient in all these. So that is why you are Vidyavan. Not only that, he was a very good singer. So Sangeeta Sahitya Kala Vihinaha Sakshat Pashuhu Puchha Vishana Vinaha. If anybody doesn't know, they don't have any interest in music, arts, they are just like animals. This is what says in Subhashita. So that is why we must know all these things, we must have interest in those. But you are proficient in all those, that is why you are Vidyavan. And we don't have to worry about those things. If we are not unable to acquire this knowledge, at least whatever the knowledge we have, we can use it for the benefit of the society. And then we have to surrender unto God, and then we will get the same type of punya. And you are the Guni, means Gunasagara. One must have these 8 at least minimum qualified gunas in them. Daya. You have to have a kindness. Kshanti. You have to suppress. Anasuya. Jealousy-less life. Shaucha. You have to be clean. Anayasa. You should not get tired. Mangala. You have to talk and always good things. Do good things. Akarpanya. There is no frugalness. Aspruha. There is no desire. These are the things one must have. You have those gunas. That is why you are guni. Atichatura. You are very clever. When you have to learn all these scriptures, and when you show your characters, definitely you must be clever. And also you know how to use it and when to use it. So that shows your cleverness. That is why you are Vidyavan, you are Guni, and you are Chatura as well. Apart from that, you are Rama Kaja Karibeko Atur. You are always eager to do Rama Seva and ready to do Rama Seva. By saying Rama Kaja Karibeko Aturu, Tulsidas ji is showing us how humble Hanumanji was. At the same time, he is warning us. Because when we have something in our life, we completely forget the God. When we have an education and we have a wealth, we will completely forget the God. Not only that, when we have a wealth and education, we will become arrogant. Sometimes some people will become atheist as well. But we have to learn from this thing from the Hanumanji, how humble he was apart from having all these qualities. He had a high quality education. He had a high quality characters, virtues. He was clever. Still how humble he was. Of course, we are fortunately or unfortunately, we are not having that thing, those education in our life. But at least whatever we have, having those things, we can be little spiritual and little religious. Whatever we have in our life, it is because of God's grace. We must be thankful to Him. At least we must keep praying Him each second of our lifetime. Or whatever we do for the daily bread, we must consider it as a God's seva. Of course, we are doing some different jobs, but still we have to consider we are doing God's seva only. Then that spiritual level is totally different. That attitude, if whatever, yatkaroshi yadashnasi tatkurushva madarpanam. Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you do, everything you surrender unto me, I will take care of everything. So whatever the job you are doing, just think that it is only God's seva and everything will be fine. That is why Hanuman, he was wonderful. Nobody can beat him in anything. But still, he was always ready to do God's seva. We have to be like that. But when we have money, we completely forget God. We only remember God when we are in poor stage, or we lose the job, or we lose something. Then we will become a great devotee. We start crying in front of the God. This is not good. If you are wealthy, if you don't have time to do tapasya, at least your wealth can be utilized for the charity, and then that charity, you have to think that is you are not doing, and because of God's grace only I am doing this particular charity. When we think that way, God will always bless us. If you have money, do the charity, do the social service, and we will get the benefit of God's grace. If you don't have money, and if you don't want to do the charity, at least do the penance, tapasya, puja, prayer. That is more than enough. That is why Vidura says in Mahabharata, Dvavambasi niveshtavyo gale badhva drudham shilam dhanavantam adataram daridrancha atapasvinam. There are two types of people. We have to stay away from them, or we have to tie them with a big stone and dump them in water. Who are they two? Dhanavantam adataram daridrancha atapasvinam. Because of God's grace, you have a wealth. Be little bit considerate and do the social service in the name of the God. Otherwise, your wealth is waste. If you don't have money, don't want to do the social service, do the tapasya, penance. Then that is more than enough. If you don't do the charity, don't do the tapasya, then your life will be wasted. There is no point. Just put them in a water. This is what Vidura says in Mahabharata. So, we have to be considerate towards the society. If we think we are poor, we are not able to do the charity, at least we can pray. When we are poor, we definitely pray. We always think that way and we start praying. Either pray or do the social service. Definitely God will be happy. God will give us wealth to help other people, help the society. So that way we can be helpful to the society. That humbleness should come inside us. That is why Hanumanji's reference is Vidyavan Ati Guni Ati Chatara. Still he is Rama Kaj Karibeko Atar. He was educated, he was clever, he has all the virtues, he can be such a highly qualified person, he was such a highly qualified person, still he never had obnoxiousness, he never had arrogance, and he was always down to earth. He was very humble and he was always ready to do the Rama Seva. That way we have to be. That doesn't matter how qualified we are, how esteemed position we have in our life, still we have to be ready to do the God Seva. This is what this verse is teaching us, and hope we are all going to understand this, and we will try to do those things in our life. And God bless you all. Hari Om. Shri Krishna Arpanam Astu. Hari Om.